These are tool organizers. They can hold screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, you name it. They come in a number of colors and sizes, and what we're going to try to do our best is to put some tools on this and put it on a pegboard. You get the hardware and everything to do the install. I have a number of areas I could hang this on a pegboard, wood, brick, anywhere that I need to put these tools. And it's good to organize. So when I'm finished with my scissors, I just got a spot like so on the hook. But I want to make it better because what happens if it'll fall? So I'm going to put these anchors, push one in, I'll line up and look for the other one which goes here, and screw down. I could put my screwdriver, put a pencil, put a different screwdriver, a small one, a large one, take my scissors off the board, and I could just slide it in there, turn it this way, sideways, it'll hold. Even slide my scissors on there, put it to the side. These are adjustable. I want to put these up, hang them up. Give you an idea that you could do anything with them. Put a channel locks, you could put a file, you could put your big channel locks in. And if I had room, I should have room, I could put this in here, my cutters. And I just put this on the side. You don't really want to put this in there. They're meant for different sizes, as you can see. I put little micro ones. And if I want to hold other things like so, I can do it sideways. So there are many different ways of going about this, if you like. And they are adjustable. The 3H tool holder. It organizes your tools. Need to go do a job, I got my wrench right here. I'm able to grab it. And if I need to put it up high, just want to make sure that you have enough clearance and it will hold all this weight without a problem. I hope you enjoy your tool organizer set.